Hello guys, welcome to my channel Think Large. So today we are going to discuss various multiple choice questions related to food science and technology. So it's specifically focus on food processing. So let's start. So the first question is variety of wheat is used for manufacturing of pasta. Option A, soft wheat. Option B, hard wheat. Option C, durum wheat. Option D, white wheat. And the right answer is option C, durum wheat. So basically durum wheat is a variety of spring wheat that's typically ground into semolina and used to make pasta. It can also be ground into a finer flour and used to make bread or pizza dough. So always remember that durum wheat is mainly used for the manufacturing of pasta. So next question. Most widely known byproduct of corn processing is option A, glue. Option B, paint. Option C, ethanol. Option D, lotion. And the right answer is option C, ethanol. So about 0.33 kilograms of ethanol can be produced from 1 kilogram of corn. Next question. Natto is fermented product made from option A, soya bean. Option B, rice. Option C, grapes. And option D, none of these. Any guess? So the right answer is option A, soya bean. So basically natto is a Japanese fermented food made from soya beans. So when forming natto, the soya beans are first soaked and cooked. Then they mixed with the Bacillus subtilis to allow fermentation up to 24 hours at 40 degrees Celsius. Then natto is cooled and aged in a refrigerator for up to 1 week to allow the development of its main characters, and which results in the formation of vitamins, amino acids, proteins, sugars, fats, minerals, and dietary fibers. Next question. What is sodium cyclamate as a food additive? Option A, artificial sweetener. Option B, coloring agent. Option C, thickening agent. And option D, none of these. And the right answer is option A, artificial sweetener. So sodium cyclamate as a food additive is basically a artificial sweetener. Basically, sodium cyclamate is a white, odorless and crystalline powder that mainly used as an artificial sweetener. It's 3 to 60 times sweeter than sucrose. So always remember, sodium cyclamate is a artificial sweetener. Next question. The principal flavoring agent of butter. Option A, diacetyl. Option B, sodium. Option C, diacetate, and option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option A, diacetyl. Diacetyl is a principal flavoring agent of butter. It's a chemical that gives butter its characteristic flavor and aroma. It's also used in many other food products, including popcorn and butter-flavored cookies, oils, and sprays. Next question. What is the mixture of probiotics and prebiotics called? Option A, symbiotics. Option B, dibiotics. Option C, synbiotics. Option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option C, synbiotics. S-Y-N, syn, not sim, synbiotics. Basically, synbiotics are a combination of probiotics and prebiotics that work together to improve gut health. They can be found in food ingredients or dietary supplements. Next question. During malting, barley and other grains are broken down by option A, heating to 95 degrees Celsius. Option B, conditioning. Option C, amylases. Option D, yeast. And the right answer is option C, amylases. During malting, barley and other grains are broken down by enzymes, which is amylases, that break down starches, protein, and carbohydrates. These enzymes are specifically, like amylases, are produced during the germination stage. Amylase break down starch into sugars. Next question. Process of moisture adjustment in wheat is option A, cleaning. Option B, flour formation. Option C, separation of endosperm. And option D, wheat conditioning. And the right answer is option D, wheat conditioning. Process of moisture adjustment in wheat is known as wheat conditioning. So basically, wheat conditioning, also known as tempering, is the process of adjusting the moisture content and temperature of wheat before milling. It's a vital step to prepare wheat for milling. So, wheat's moisture adjustment, the whole process is known as wheat conditioning. Always remember that. Next question. Percentage of acetic acid in commercially available vinegar is option A, 2%, option B, 4%, option C, 6%, and option D, 10%. And guesses that the percentage of acetic acid in commercially available vinegar is कितने परसेंट एसिटिक एसिड होता है? And the right answer is option B, 4%. The commercial vinegar typically contains around 4 to 5% acetic acid by volume, but it can also vary slightly depending on the brand and the type of vinegar. Most of the table vinegars fall within the range of 4. acetic acid. Next question. Products that contain live microorganisms in sufficient numbers to promote intestinal microbial balance. Option A, antibiotic. Option B, probiotic. Option C, prebiotic. And option D, digestive enzymes. And the right answer is option B, probiotics. Products that contain live microorganisms is sufficient in number promote intestinal microbial balance. So, probiotics. Never misunderstood. Always read carefully. Basically, हम जब जल्दी में होते हैं तो हम सीधे जस्ट डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम को टिक कर देते हैं, बट ऑलवेज रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. What it says, that products that contain live microorganism in sufficient numbers to promote intestinal microbial balance. So what we call that products? We called probiotics. The main examples of probiotics are yogurt, kefir, kimchi, cheese, sauerkraut, dahi. These are the main examples of probiotics. Probiotics are the products or the term used for the products which contain live microorganisms in sufficient numbers to promote intestinal microbial balance. It contains active cultures or live cultures which helps to promote intestinal microbial balance. So always remember that. Next question. Shiitake is a type of option A, mushroom. Option B, apple. Option C, potato. And option D, all of the above. And the right answer is option A, mushroom. Shiitake is a type of mushroom, an edible mushroom which grows on fallen timber cultivated in Japan and China. These mushrooms contain arachidinin, a compound known to reduce cholesterol level in blood. They also contain beta-glucans that reduce inflammation and help to prevent the intestines from absorbing cholesterol. Also support immune health. Next question. Tocopherol is used in foods as option A, acidity regulator. Option B, stabilizer. Option C, antioxidant. Option D, emulsifier. And the right answer is option C, antioxidant. Tocopherol is used in foods as antioxidant to extend shelf life and prevent changes in color and flavor. So in foods, tocopherol is used as an antioxidant. Remember this. Next question. Full form of HFCS with the reference to sweeteners. Option A, high fructose corn syrup. Option B, high fat corn substitute. Option C, high frying corn substitute. Option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option A, high fructose corn syrup. So full form of HFCS with reference to sweetener is high fructose corn syrup. Is basically manufactures made from corn starch. HFCS is a sweetener that manufacturers make from corn starch. Examples of foods containing HFCS include some sodas, sweetened juice, processed desserts, and more. So that's all for today. If you want multiple choice questions related to a specific topic, then please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.